Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely amazing Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. This is a 2019 bike on a 69 plate with just 5,233 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is presented in stunning condition. In fact, it is immaculate. And the more eagle-eyed amongst you will have spotted that this has in fact got the back end from the 1100 factory. It is an RR though, it doesn't have the Olin suspension, but it has got the 1100 factory back end, which I think makes it look absolutely outstanding. Got the tail tidy there as well. Got the carbon fibre Akrapovice silencer, which sounds absolutely unbelievable. You can just pick out the Bosch logo there. That means it's got the Bosch IMU installed, which gives you slide control, wheelie control, pit lane speed limiter, cruise control, traction control. Did I say that? I think it's got everything. Everything you would get on a top level superbike, this bike has. It is, if you like going fast, but you don't want to be uncomfortable while you do it, then this is the bike for you. This thing is an absolute weapon, I assure you. V4 engine, massively powerful, superb power delivery. You've got the stomp grips there, you probably saw those. If you do take this on the track, you'll be wanting those to help you brake hard. Brace your knees against the tank, I can tell you they work fantastically. Obviously race ABS on this, along with the Brembo brakes. Not a mark on this bike, absolutely nothing to apologise for here at all. Looking absolutely brilliant in the black and red colour scheme. I mean, it just looks angry, stood still. And this is possibly the angriest sounding motorcycle you'll ever hear. Got the Quickshifter there as well, an auto blipper of course. Really not a mark on this bike. The bar ends, the mirrors, they're all absolutely tip-top and undamaged. Aprilia tank pad there as well. You can just pick that out there. And obviously the full colour TFT Dash. TFT Dash I should say. Absolutely everything you'd expect on a superbike you get on an Aprilia Tuono 1100. As I said, if you like going fast and you want to be upright while you do it, this is very much the bike for you. So as I said, these bikes sound really angry. I'm not sure what they're angry about, but they're definitely angry. Let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this outstanding Aprilia Tuono motorcycle, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and comment down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.